Indeed, all Khuddam and Atfal should recognize that they are of great value and that each Ahmadi is a precious member of the Jamaat of the Prophet Messiah al-Islam. Nevertheless, this value is not to be taken for granted. Rather, it can only remain intact and be justified if you recognize that each of you has a role to play in upholding the dignity of the Jamaat of the Prophet Messiah al-Islam and ensuring its continued progress and prosperity. It is fundamental truth that the children and youth of each nation have a great role to play in the progress and well-being of their community. Certainly, a community whose children and youth are instilled with a spirit of service and devotion to their cause are those that are destined to scale the highest peaks of success and progress. Moreover, keep in mind that the life and success of any community is not dependent on any single generation. Rather, those nations who truly prosper and who have the ability to change the world for the better are those in which generation after generation are steeped in a desire to serve their cause and who are ready for every possible sacrifice to ensure that the progress and success of their community never slows. Just as the sun rises without fail each morning, our each and every day should give rise to glad tidings of the spiritual progress and advancement of the members of the Jamaat. Until that is our state, we cannot be content. On your banners, you proudly display the slogan bestowed to Khuddam al-Ahmadiyya by Muslim Maud radhiyallahu anhu, that nations cannot be reformed without the reformation of the youth. However, these are not just words or a motto to take pride in, but should be a wake-up call for the members of Khuddam and should motivate and inspire you. May Allah the Almighty grant all of you the capability to truly comprehend your immense responsibilities and to fulfill your obligations as members of Majlis Khuddam al-Ahmadiyya. May you fulfill the rights owed to Allah the Almighty and His creation and be those who illuminate the name of our Jamaat in the world and who play a distinguished role in fulfilling the mission of the Prophet Messiah al-Islam. It is my sincere and ardent prayer that you are successful in this. May Allah the Almighty continue to bless Majlis Khuddam al-Ahmadiyya in all respects. Ameen. Now join me in silent prayer. Ameen. Now I will launch a website, the Salat Hub website. The Salat Hub site is designed to make Jamaat members learn Salat in an interactive way. Sir.
ये कोई सेक्शन होगा स्लो इंटरनेट की वजह से शायद
लॉन्च हो गई।
अच्छा
अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।